Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reaching 25 million bounty with the sound fruit. Wait guys, before we get into the video I just wanted to let y'all know that I made a Discord server. Here you can chat, trade, and do events like Leviathan or Trials. The first 50 people who join will get a OG title. If you have any questions or anything, DM me. My user is L909600.
I got one girl from Philly, I think her name Nikki, and I fuck with Nikki cause she not too picky and she not too tricky. I'm not too bougie, I play with a kitty, it's too licky stick. I'm moving the beat, just like a kid, chop with the kitty, my bitch. Crazy, I turn to the boss, don't deal with no middle. Anthony Davis, don't deal with the belly, straight out the mud. We got that work to turn you to the girl, you slow like a snail, you can hear what you slugs. I say how I feel, and I do what I want, and not just because it did what it was. I'm not like a bearman, but don't got no love, you hear what I say, got the shit out the mud. I'm not in this bitch, I'm supposed to love. I just saw his mother, I gave up. Ain't talking about the work, nigga, just how that supply, that's another 100 rounds in the compact contact. I burn for the game, put the hoes on project. Open up my mouth, but my dick on the side there. She don't get out, but she keep on the contact. They want to let keep the contact. This location, that nigga can't find it. Baby, where you mind it? Baby girl, sign it. Matter of fact, never mind it. Front door, find it. After the climax, scream on my name every time we behind it. When I heard the door, get a baby with my line it. Water on my neck, 3D like it's IMAX. Diamonds on the bird to a goddamn climax. Ass so fat that I gotta hit beside that. Her nigga putting them drugs on find it. She boozy, I play with the kitty. I'm moving the beat, shit like an alien. Chop with the feet, my easy is crazy. I turn to the boss. Don't deal with the belly, straight out the mud. We got that work to turn you to the grub. You slow like a snail, you can hear what you slugs. I say how I feel, and I do what I want. Because it is what it was. I'm you heard what I say, got the shit out the mud. I'm not in this bitch, I'm supposed to love. I just saw it from my neighbor. Yeah, ever since Cliffy, yeah, who's been picked up? Drippin' sway, you know I got the big sauce. I'm big, yeah, I got the big sauce. I don't need to go to the big boss. Ain't shit down like the motherfucking kick off. 4500 for some motion, kick off. Let me back, let my wrist too pissed off. Left to the bank is funny. Go get you something, go get your own money. Hold on, I got you. That's your money. That's your money. If you fuck that's your money. I fuck with Nikki, and she not too picky and she not too choosy, but sometimes she bougie. I play with a kitty and my Uzi is red. Say I turn to the boss, can't deal with no shit. Anthony Davis, don't deal with the belly. Straight out the mud.